Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to send something back. I'm talking here about sending something back in Amazon Shopping or Amazon app. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to how to start a return in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you open your device, are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Go all the way and look for Amazon or Amazon.com. If you are using an Android or iOS, look for Amazon Shopping app. Then tap on this link. Go all the way, use your email address and password to actually log in. Then go to Orders, Orders and Returns. You will be able to see multiple orders here. Orders you have placed 3 months ago. Tap Return or Replace Items. Choose a reason and follow the on-screen steps. As for some additional tips, check the return window before even submitting, since some items may have restocking fees. So, you will be able to see the orders or basically your orders here. The only option you will be having is return or replace the items depending on your situation. Just tap on it and confirm the prompt, and they're gonna take you to a new page where you basically tell them the reason. Why did you cancel? Why do you want to return? So make sure you give them a legit, true reason. Don't try to lie or anything else. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.